Break and continue are keywords that you use inside of either a for or while loop. Break will completely stop and exit the loop, whereas continue will skip all the code remaining in the loop and jump to the next iteration of the loop. Both act the same in for loops as they do in while loops. Now in the case that you have a loop inside of another loop, if you use break in the innermost loop, then it will cancel that loop, but allow the outer loop to complete like normal. If you have continue in the inner loop, then it will skip any code below it within the inner loop, then allow the inner loop to continue on to its next iteration, and the outer loop is unaffected. In the case of break being inside the outermost loop, it will skip any code below it and stop the outermost loop. And if continue is inside the outermost loop, then it will skip any code below it, but still allow the outermost loop to continue onto its next iteration. And again, both break and continue act the same inside of for loops as they do in while loops. Now you have a basic explanation of how break and continue act inside of for and while loops that you can apply to any of your Godot games. And don't forget that you can check out the project files linked in the description.